Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a CNC machine at home. This is CNC drawing machine. You can use it for drawing small images and icons. Okay, let's go to the video. Basically, we need an Arduino Uno board, L293D motor shield, mini servo motor, and all 2 computer DVD or CD players. First, we need to remove the body parts and get the motor out. There are some locks. Remove it. This is the part we need to this project. Get it out carefully. This is the motor, small stepper motor. We can move it like this, and we use it for XY panels. Now we can use these parts to create the chassis of our CNC machine, and we need to paste it like this. Now we can mark the places for the holes like this. This is Y panel and this is X panel. I have already placed one, and this corner should be about 90 degrees. We can connect it like this. Okay, we can fix it later. We can use a pen for drawing and make a hole like this here. After that, we can connect it like this. Servo motor is to move the pen like this. Connect it like this. Now we can move the pen. This is the wire casing. It fixed to the pen like this. After that, we fix it to the motor. This is the motor. It fixed to the pen like this. This is the wire casing. It fixed to the pen like this. After that, we fix it to the pen. This is the wire casing. It fixed to the pen like this. After that, we fix it to the motor. we can move the pen left and right like this. It's the X. We need to connect this using a spring and see how I fix it here. It should be go up easily like this. This is the motor. I have already sold wires and I sold all the ends of the wire so we can connect the motor to driver shield very easily. This is the Y panel. I connect it like this using glue and bolt. It can move like this. And this is the motor. Two motors are same speed and same steps. This is the drawing panel. We can connect it here and I have already drilled a hole to get wire out. Okay, now connect it here like this. This is my Y panel. Now we can connect this. This is the X. Okay, fix it tight. This is my pen adjustment. We can adjust it like this. This is my Arduino board and this is my motor shield. These are motor outputs and this is external power input. We use 12 volt for this machine. Connect carefully, sometimes it can be short, so you can use polythene like this. Now we need to check motor windings using multimeter. Do it like this. My red and black wire is in same winding. And green and white wire is in another winding. Check yours and see how I connect it to the motor drive shield. Save motor has 3 wires and red one is plus voltage, brown one is ground and yellow one used to give signals. When you are connecting the motor, don't connect any wire to the middle slots because they are the ground. Connect the same winding closely. This is the G code sender. We need it to control the machine.